3, 2, 1.
There are The answer is B. Organic molecules. Who was the lead singer of the Beatles? The answer is B. Paul McCartney. How many sperm does it take to fertilize an egg? The answer is C. 1. How hot is it on the surface of the sun? The answer is D. Much hotter than almost anything on Earth. Which president demanded Mr. Gorbachev tear down this wall? The answer is C. Ronald Reagan. Which word is defined as the spiritual attitude of a man to a god and a dog to a man in Ambrose Bierce's satirical book The Devil's Dictionary? The answer is D. Reverence. Which popular sitcom centers around a group of friends living in an apartment in Manhattan? The answer is C. Manhattan Friends. What type of alloys are used in musical instruments? The answer is B. Brass. Which artist sang Imagine? The answer is A. John Lennon. What animal does Ben Stiller's character claim he has milked in the 2000 comedy movie Meet the Parents? The answer is C. A cat. A new battery claims that it lasts twice as long as competing batteries under the same loading conditions. Which comparison of the battery with competing batteries would validate this claim? The answer is C. It stores more chemical energy. Which ocean is home to the Great Barrier Reef? The answer is C. Atlantic. Which book is about a hobbit and a magical ring? The answer is A. The Lord of the Rings. What has roots that grow stronger as the wind blows more? The answer is D. Rivers. In the popular animated series The Family Guy, the old guy Herbert, who lives down the street, has a crush on which character? The answer is D. Chris. According to the Bible, Eve was made out of which of Adam's bones? The answer is D. Rib. What type of resource is limited in supply and cannot be replaced except over millions of years? The answer is B. Natural resource. In which country do they eat 12 grapes as the clock strikes midnight one each time the clock chimes on New Year's Eve?
The answer is A. Spain.
Ethers readily dissolve what type of molecules? The answer is D. Nonpolar. Which theory suggests that people have an innate desire for self-preservation? The answer is D, self-preservation theory. What is a massive rotating disk of dust, gas, and stars in space called? The answer is B, nebula. What's the capital city of Brazil? The answer is C, Brasilia. What are petroglyphs? The answer is A, rock carvings made by the Anasazi. Which cells help to destroy pathogens such as bacteria that enter the human body? The answer is C, white blood cells. Who is the ghost of Ravenclaw in the Harry Potter books? The answer is D, the Grey Lady. In which book does Harun al-Rashid appear? The answer is C, 1001 Nights. Who plays Michael Scott in The Office? The answer is B, Rainn Wilson. What sports equipment consists of a flat oblong frame with a network of strings fastened across it? The answer is B, badminton B. Which animal lays soft-shelled eggs? The answer is A, turtle. What movie starring Ron Perlman is this exchange from? The answer is C, Hellboy. Detroit was established by French colonists. What does the name mean in French? The answer is D, straight. What is the name of the boy in Charlotte's Web? The answer is C, Wilbur. In parts of western Brittany, in France, cakes called cornigoux are baked at Samhain. What natural shape are the cakes baked in? The answer is C, antlers. What term refers to a sudden and drastic drop in the price of an asset or a commodity? The answer is B, bust. Which philosopher is known for the Euthyphro dilemma? The answer is B, Aristotle. What shape has an infinite number of sides? The answer is D, polygon. What was the first website on the internet? The answer is A, CERN. What is the electronic configuration of noble gases? The answer is A, 1s 2 2s 2 2p6. What always comes once a minute, twice a week, and never at the weekend? The answer is C. Thursday's clock hands. The painting Portrait à l'artiste Sandsbar by Vincent van Gogh is a part of which art movement? The answer is D. Post-Impressionism. Who won the first Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences in 1969? The answer is C. Milton Friedman. Who was the leader of the Nazis during World War II? The answer is C. Hitler. Osteoclasts break down bone to maintain mineral what? The answer is D. Homeostates. What's massive, gray, and always wears a hat? The answer is C. Mount Kilimanjaro. What is the main principle of utilitarianism proposed by Jeremy Bentham and John Stuart Mill? The answer is B. The survival of the fittest. In Super Mario Bros., what is the name of the princess to be rescued? The answer is A. Peach. Which period lasts about 72 hours? The answer is B. Week. What year was the 11 Oscar-nominated movie The Color Purple released? The answer is A. 1985. How many atoms are in one formula unit of magnesium hydroxide, MgO2? The answer is B. 5. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood in humans?